What is up, guys? I'm JQ, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to play Mood by 24kGoldn. So let's start with the intro. So I just kind of made something up since I don't have an electric guitar and this is an acoustic cover. So I kind of just made something to sound similar to the intro in the actual song. So I have the capo on the 2nd fret. So I'm going to be explaining the fret numbers based on the location of the capo. And this will technically be 0. And again, like I've said in all my other tutorial videos, feel free to put the capo wherever you want, because it's mainly just adjustable to your vocal range. So whatever key you feel most comfortable with. Or doesn't matter if you just play the guitar, so feel free to put it wherever you want. So you're going to start off on the 3rd fret of the B string. And you're going to do a slide to the 5th. Then you're going to hit that note again. Then you're going to go to the G string on the 7th. Hit the B string on the 8th twice. Then you're going to go from the 6th to the 8th fret on the B string and do a slide there. Then you're going to go to the 10th fret on the B string. Hit that twice and do a hammer-on on the 12th. Then you're going to come back to the 7th fret on the B string and hit that twice. And then you're going to go back to the beginning and do that all over again. But then you're only going to go up to that hammer-on the 12th and finish on the 10th fret on the B string. Here's that one more time. So yeah, pretty easy. And then this is going to be a pretty short video because the rest of the song is just 4 chords. C, G, E minor, and D. So the strum pattern I'm showing you guys is probably just like a really basic one that will be pretty easy for you guys. But then you can just change it up however you want. I usually tell people that everybody has like their own natural way of strumming, so do what's best for you. You can change it up by doing stuff like this. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So let me know how I did down in the comments, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.